are two new calves here on the homestead. Let me introduce you to Little G and Meat. They both are Jersey calves. They seem happy to bounce around and play with each other. They are both being bottle fed and absolutely love to down a bottle quickly. Both will have their purpose. Little G will be bred in the future to a Black Angus cow we have named Mr. Kaplan. She was named after a TV character from The Blacklist. Meat has a different purpose. Meat will become, well, meat. He will be raised for the sole purpose of butchering. There just isn't anything like having your freezer full of meat and you know exactly what the cattle has eaten. The taste is far superior to anything you can purchase in the grocery store. Now, because Meat will go to freezer camp when he is bigger, we need to take measures now that will help the meat stay tender. We are going to band him. By banding him now as a calf, we stop the surge of hormones that can taint the taste of the meat, and it also hurts a whole lot less now than if he was banded at an older age. Banding a calf is also known as banding castration. It castrates him by using a rubber or latex band to restrict blood flow to the testicles, causing them to atrophy and eventually fall off. This will take a few weeks. A special tool called an elastrator or bander is used to stretch a rubber band and place it around the base of the scrotum, ensuring both testicles are included within the band. Of course, he will be monitored to make sure that there is no swelling or signs of infection. Banding is considered a relatively humane method of castration, especially when performed early in life, as it is associated with less stress and quicker recovery compared to other methods, such as using a knife and risking bleeding complications and open wound infections. We have a type of corral set up. We lured him in using a bottle of milk and was able to pin his neck inside the bars. Don't worry, he can still move his head up and down. This process took several people. Once we got him in place, it was a quick process. The bander was already loaded with the band, and a quick pull of the bander and the calf was banded. It went so quickly that I didn't have a good shot for recording. As you can see, he doesn't appear to be in any pain. He went right back with his buddy, Little G. Do you have cattle? Have you banded them before? What was your experience? I would love to know in the comments below. Also, I would love to know if you have ever crossed a Black Angus and a Jersey cow and what you thought of the meat. Does it taste any different than just Angus beef? We here at SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thank you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.